Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. I wanted to talk to you for just a moment about LinkedIn Creator Mode. And if you haven't heard about it, and you still need to pay attention because LinkedIn will continue to give you the option of turning on Creator Mode. And there are a lot of features to Creator Mode, but what I want to tell you is this. Be careful before you do. I mean, you don't have to be careful because you can always turn it off and revert. However, what LinkedIn wants to do with Creator Mode is to feature your content that you create on your profile. Now, this is great if you are a content creator. What I'm not excited about is the fact that if you don't have any content or you have very little content, then all of a sudden you've pushed that to the top of your profile and your About section drops. If your credentials are the strongest part of your LinkedIn profile, then those are now below your activity section, which shows your content, and your featured section, which shows the content that you want to feature. So, and there are other benefits to having it too. You have LinkedIn Live Video turned on automatically. You don't have to wait long lengths of time for your LinkedIn Live application to be accepted, like has been going on for 2 years. I'm fairly lucky. I got it 2 years ago. And also you have access to start a LinkedIn newsletter. There's great exposure with those right now, but I also want to caution you about those. If you are not a person who is committed to creating a newsletter on a consistent and an ongoing basis for longevity, then I would say I'm not excited about that for you either. If you can tick all the boxes on all of the things I've just talked about, and again, there are more features, but if you're not a regular content creator and you are not going to be consistent with a newsletter that you might create, because there is a lot of activity with people launching newsletters, a whole bunch of them are out right now because people got this feature when it launched a while back, and now people are turning on creator mode and they're getting the opportunity to publish a newsletter, and there's just a lot of activity. So we can talk about that. I mean, it's a case-by-case basis with my clients. So just, let me know if you have any questions, if you want to talk this through or work this through. But I just wanted you to be aware of LinkedIn Creator Mode because you will continue to see the option to turn it on. And if you don't know, I'm getting ready to relaunch LinkedIn Course for Lawyers, which is a hybrid live and online 6 to 8 week LinkedIn course on your LinkedIn profile and presence. And you can find out more information by going to LinkedInCourseForLawyers.com. That's LinkedInCourseForLawyers.com. All right, take care. We'll see you again next time.